for us?
Oh, my mom.
What's wrong?
I'm
Evan? Oh, he's dripping. Yes, he has a little bit of drool because he's a baby. Because he's a baby. Is that okay? Yeah. You done? Can you sing us a song? Evan will play along. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
No. A, B, C. Next song, you
Sing with me.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, what else do you know? Do you know bingo? There was a farmer had a dog. You know that one?
That.
All right, you want to play?